Success does not happen overnight. It is the culmination of one's hard work, shedding blood, sweat and tears. This has been a motivating component for 55-year-old Thomasi Vakandranu, an engineer, fisherman and captain. Now an owner of a fishing vessel berthed outside the Suva harbour, Vakandranu's dreams continue. Vinina Rakautonga with tonight's success story.
Growing around older family members who were seamen, Vakandranu knew he had to pursue the same dream.
And then we used to go and visit him. That what made me to be like, I want to be a sailor. And then when I finished school, 1985, I failed Form 6. And then I went to ICA Corporation to join, like it was a government kind of fishing fleet.
After failing Year 6, Vakandranu did not give up. He worked for a shipping company that took him to Vancouver, where he started a new life and bought a fishing vessel.
So I knew the history of this boat, and the guy who built it, his name too was Thomas, like me, Tom. So I did a lot of research on this boat, and the metal used was kind of C10 plate.
It was not all rainbows and butterflies for the Madhuwata gentleman, as he had his share of struggles.
My life is full of mountains. You have to go through mountains. And like from Vancouver, like from Fiji, doing all my careers here, going to Vancouver. Vancouver was like a promised land for me.
Vakandranu says he wants to be able to give back to the community.
I'll just go and buy fish from the islands and then sell to Suva, and at the same time kind of provide them groceries, and I try to make it cheap as possible so that the villagers get some kind of advantage from me, like I'm giving back to the community.
Vakandranu says hardships is good as it paves the way to success and makes a person stronger, a stepping stone towards great heights and achievements.
When it gets hard, it's good, because out of that hardship, there's something good and beneficial to you in that particular hardship you're going through.
Vinina Rakautonga, FBC News.